Ventura, California to get some salmon tacos and just have a fun beach day. Outfit for today. I hope everyone's having a great day. So this is actually the longest pier in Ventura. And it's long and it's deep. The water is deep once you get to the very end. I really love coming to the beach and just relaxing. Funny enough, I don't really go in the water all that much unless it's really, really hot outside. Right now, it's around 70, so it's a little too chilly for me to actually get in the water. But, still a beautiful day. The sun is out and shining and it's gorgeous. And you know what? I need to focus on looking at the camera. I'm looking at my screen, so it's probably weird, but I really need to focus on looking at the camera, that little red dot. That's what I need to focus on. Yeah. I'm gonna get there. Oh, look at the mountains. Pretty. Alright, so we're at the beach. I have my book and my coffee and I'm just relaxing. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today in Ventura and it's just gorgeous out. I'm gonna sit here and relax for a little while, and then after a little while I go have some salmon tacos, which they have the best salmon tacos here at this little place called Beach House Fish in Ventura, California, so I highly recommend. And it's just a beautiful day, really gorgeous here. Absolutely. read a really amazing book. And now it's time to head home. Tacos, salmon tacos. Yum. Babe got 3. Friends, and welcome to another vlog. This morning I am at the Hollywood Rose Bowl Flea Market. Sorry, not Hollywood, Pasadena Rose Bowl Flea Market. And we're just gonna do some thrifting. Your girl loves a good thrift. So hopefully we find some good finds, but I'm gonna take you along and I hope y'all enjoy. By the way, here's the outfit for today. Super casual, really cute. Enjoy! It's huge! Should we go this way?
I think. Sure, yeah, let's look.
Okay. Let's go this way and then. I just feel like it's so. Wow.
We get separated. Just call me. We'll be in there. All right.
Old school for sure. Wow. And something told me, like, right before I left the house, like, don't forget your hat. And what do?
Usually I leave it in the car.
Forget my hat.
Like, I guess some people want.
Reminds me of Morocco.
I know, it's
Like
oh
they're
my
really
God,
good. Yeah. Pretty.
I love these.
Interesting. It's like a kimono.
That's like less of a, it's probably closer.
I mean, honestly, it's sort of just what I wanted, just like a wood one. I love when it has sort of a different color. And the blue is just
Oh, they're huge. Look at this one. It's big.
I told you.
All right.
Over there, everything on that table is 20.
This is so cute. Look, it's like a lemon or lime squeeze, and then you can pour it.
I saw some of the other places, but they didn't have the dish under.
That's cute. I wish it was pink.
Now you know what to look for.
I have one, but it's yellow. It's so ugly.
Mine's blue, but mine doesn't have a dish
Anything?
Okay, well thus far I've gotten some really good finds. I'll show you all later, but this is so fun. I love the flea market. I just came back to my car, dropped some things off. Now we're gonna go back in. This is great though, and it's huge. There are so many vendors here, I can't even tell you, but it's great. Look at that chair. Is this not old school? Look at this. Wow. Really cool. Oh, but there's a shoe one. Oh, that's cute. Hi.
You like the red shoe?
I do. I'm a shoe girl, so this is cute.
Kind, creative, and then look how pretty it is inside.
And it's big. It could fit a whole bunch of stuff.
It's a good carry-on or a travel bag or what have you.
It's adorable. Okay, can I
you.
look at the rest? This is cute too. How much are the bigger ones?
This red shoe?
Yeah.
This one's $150.
So is this real leather?
Yes.
It's cute.
One of a kind. And taffy.
Do you ever have the same print in different colors?
No, I've only done it in red because of the red. To bring out the red.
It's beautiful. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a great day.
Thanks. It's cute. Here's Pete. Still might find some good stuff. And I like how it's like not that many people right here. Ooh, this is cute. I don't know what that is, but that's cute. Hi. What is this? The pink? What's that? Or the gold? Very cute, actually. Do you mind if I step?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at these, Kim.
Yeah, I think it fell out of favor. Yeah, those are nice. How much is this set? 380 pesos. Thank you.
Man, now I have to buy something. Now I have to.
Look at all the people getting their little finds. This is a really huge and busy flea market, and I love it. This lady has some cute clothes over there.
I can meet you where you're at now.
It's so also fun to see everyone's attire, because I'm big in fashion. Look at those fans. Seeing the way people dress, and their personalities. Super fun.
Nick, are you done shopping? Yeah. Okay. So just the art, right?
Oh my God! Let's go.
So I'm taking a seat and taking a little break because it's really, really hot out here. Thank goodness I brought my umbrella because, whew, and some water. I guess the one downside about the flea market is there's not many places to sit and kind of just regroup and take a break. So yeah, there's not many places to regroup and take a break. So I found this little area here. And I'm taking a break. I'm waiting for my friend Michelle to get back with her drink, and then we're gonna keep going. But everything else has been great. This will be really quick, actually. I just wanted to show you all what I picked up because I love to go thrifting, and hopefully my boobs aren't showing. Okay, so I love to go thrifting, and I love just finding like really fun finds. So, okay, the first thing I got is this hat box. Now, first of all, this is a really cute hat box, I think. Look. Yeah? Okay, but it's what's in the hat box that's so special. Let's open it. So y'all, before I show you this, my taste when it comes to fashion and clothes is very, I would say old school glam. When I think about fashion and how I want to look, I piece high fashion items with lower scale items, I would say. And this item I'm about to show you, of course, it's a hat, but it's something that I think will look really, really nice in fall. And it's kind of like me in a hat. So this is what I got. This cute fedora, how beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. What got me was this piece right here. Now, I can just see myself in this hat in the fall with like a really pretty, simple blazer, really cute jeans, nice heels, thinking maybe like just a very casual, sleek, classy look, maybe a really nice Louis Vuitton scarf with a Louis Vuitton purse. Just beautiful, just a nice clean look with this. This would be, of course, the statement. So let me show you how this looks on, okay? So when I tried this on, I was like, oh yes, yes please, okay? Now come on, look at this. Can you all see? I'm gonna go down a little bit. Look at this. Is this not freaking gorgeous? Ah, I just love it. So, beautiful. And this hat was $20, so good deal. And it came with the hat box, good deal. So, next item on the list. Oh wait, I have to put this back on. Okay. Okay, next item on the list. I'm very excited. Scarves. So this is the first scarf I bought, and it's from the Uera. U-E-R-A. I can't read this cursive, but that's the designer. But it's just a pretty pink and green scarf, and I think it's just gonna look so classy like this with a nice cute little outfit. Oh, come on. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Now, of course, it wouldn't go with this outfit, but you get what I'm saying. Just beautiful, nice little light scarf piece. And even one day I could even pin it to the back and like put it as like put my hair in a ponytail and then have it up if I wanted to. I don't know. I could do a lot with this. I could even put it, use it as a belt maybe. I don't know. We'll be adventurous, but this was, I think, I don't know, $10. There's the first one. The second scarf is actually a gift for a very special lady. I hope she likes it, but it's a very long scarf. But look at this pretty print. It almost looks like there's pearls and flowers. The print's just gorgeous. So I hope she likes this. When I saw this, I was like, yes. The scarf is silk. It's by the designer Ellen Tracy. And she's from I guess she's a designer from the 80s. It's a very pretty floral print. So, 100% nice quality silk. So, also, this is 100% silk as well because we don't do anything less. Okay, and it's Vera pop striped silk. So, actually this was 20. I think she gave it to me for 15 though. And I think this was like the same. So, really nice pieces for a very reasonable price, I say. Then, okay, this is one of my favorites. Now maybe I'm late to the game. It's so funny. My friend and I, we were at when we were at the I cannot think. Where were we? I keep wanting to say farmer's market, and we were not at the farmer's market. Y'all know where I said I was, child. I can't think. Well, we were there. we ran across a station that had hats, right? And you know, I am a hat girl, so I love a good hat. But this is a special kind of hat, and maybe I'm late to the game. Let me know if you all have heard about this before. But these are hats with solar panel in them. Look at that. Okay? Now you see how it's not moving, right? Okay. Well, bird is pretty too. But anyway, so it's a solar panel. See that? And apparently, in the sun, when you put it on and you're in the sun, this fan starts moving and it cools your head from the inside. And it really does work. Of course, I'm not in the sun. I'm at home. I'm in my home, so there is no sun right now, so it's not going to work. But I will show you when I go to the beach or something how it works. And it absolutely works, and it's fabulous. You get all of this cool hair, all of the cool air on your head. And it's fabulous, okay? The good thing about this, too, is that I can change the scarves out. So, depending on what I'm wearing, I'll change the scarf to match. So that was that. This was 40. So, and it's a good deal. It came with the scarf. Okay, what's next? Oh, this is the bag. I didn't buy this there, but this is the bag that I took there. How cute. My thrifting bag, I suppose. Now, I was done shopping, right? And then I ran across this really nice woman who tried to hook me up with her son. And she was selling these dresses. And I'm pretty tall, so I have a hard time finding dresses sometimes that are with like a long length. So I'm 5'6", but I love a good heel, so I'm really like 5'8", 5'9" these days. And, okay. Now, this dress is absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to put it on. It seems a little large right now. I'm just kind of actually going to do like this really quick so you can get the picture. But look at this print. Look at the print. How beautiful. And the bottom has like ruffles, ruffly dupes there. Look at that. And it's just so pretty on. It kind of hugs me in the right places and it's long enough. I'm going to stand on the couch actually. See how long it is? Anyway, it's really pretty and it has a really nice back as well. See how the back, I don't know if you can see, but it's out. There's like, it's very pretty. Now, here's the only thing. She only had one and I fell in love with the color. But this is a medium large, and I am definitely like a small to medium. So I'm going to have to get it alterated. Alterations? I'm going to have to get alterations on this. That's okay. One more goodie for you. I did not get this at the flea market, but this is something I did pick up when I was thrifting, and I picked it up thrifting at a little cute thrift store in Manhattan Beach. So I figured since we're doing a thrifting haul, so you could say, I'm just going to show you anyway. This is the most cutest, I would say, I don't know, this is giving me 70s vibes maybe. It's a cooler. How cute. Now, typically, I don't like the color orange, but in this instance, I think it's adorable. I love the print. I've worn it to the beach a few times. It has a nice handle here. So multiple ways to carry it. So yeah, that was it. I am going to sign off. That is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I had a really fun time today. I had a really great day. I am going to do my best to upload one video a week. So I think maybe the next upcoming videos, let's see, by this time you should have seen my 30th and a half birthday video. Also a tour of my home. Also, I think I did a beach day. And now this will be my fourth one, I think, maybe third one, because I think I put two of those together, but this one will be my, I guess, day in the life of thrifting video. I'm pooped, I'm tired, I have work in the morning, I need to go. I'm rambling. I don't know what my next video is going to be. I'm thinking maybe I'll just do a simple, I'm thinking I'm going to do a day in the life, work from home. Oh, and you know what else I want to do? I'm also going to do a get to know me. Get to know me. So maybe that will be the next one. Get to know me, and I'll answer a bunch of questions, and then also do a day in the life. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for watching. I get so excited. And until next time, smooches. Mwah.